Gives you wings, Alex.
Get yourself on there.
Yep, we're good.
According to the CDC, every year 36,000 Americans die from the seasonal flu, and over 200,000 are hospitalized. But the flu isn't the only devastating disease that can possibly be prevented from vaccinations. WebMD suggests that pertussis, diphtheria, and measles also cause devastating effects, but are increasingly being more prevalent in our society because of the decrease in vaccinations from everybody else. I'm sure you've all heard the controversy and the conflict, surrounding getting vaccinated. You've all been told to do it, but how many of us will listen? My name is Randy Watson, and I am currently taking a microbiology class at BSU, and we're focusing right now on the importance of vaccination in public health care systems and different methods of preventing transferable diseases among our societies and communities. Tonight, I'm going to convince you how you should vaccinate yourself and other loved ones in this, that you are close to or that you know, or basically anybody that you can get vaccinated, because it's incredibly important, and I'm going to tell you why. More specifically, we're going to talk about the devastating effects. We're going to talk about why it happens, and eventually what you can do to prevent it. Many diseases wreak havoc on our society, and they have incredibly devastating effects. According to MedTV.com, 3.9 million Americans are infected with hepatitis C. Hepatitis C causes cirrhosis, which is scarring and different effects of the liver. And people that live with this disease eventually get more complications and end up in the hospital, and just all sorts of terrible things regarding hepatitis. And there is a vaccination for it. In 2002, the World Health Organization estimated that 1.4 million deaths among kids that are aged 5 and under died from preventable diseases. And I'm going to show you on this little handout that I made what I mean by that. As you can see, causes of death, the topic causes of death for kids under 5, all diseases that are preventable by vaccination. 27% from the HIV, 20% from pertussis, tetanus creates a combined total of 14%, measles 38%, and others, which are 1%. And causes of others would be polio, diphtheria, and yellow fever. So you see the statistics, you've heard me talk about that. And I guess what I'm trying to get to you guys is that, you don't necessarily want to be one of those statistics. You want family members to be one, you don't want kids to be a statistic. Don't let it happen. It's incredibly preventable by just getting the vaccination. So now that you know how they wreak havoc on your lives, I'm going to help you understand why. Why is this a problem? Why is it occurring in our society? Mainly it's due to people's lack of understanding about why vaccinations are important and different beliefs that people hold. For instance, my friend Beth that I talked to, she's from St. Well, I was talking to her the other day, and she didn't get herself the flu vaccination, nor did she get her 2-year-old daughter the flu vaccination. Both people are at high risk, especially right now for the H1N1 that is so prevalent. And I asked her, well, why wouldn't you do that? And she said, because different vaccinations are dangerous. They put live strains of the virus in there, or certain ones have mercury in it, and people are afraid of developing autism because of it. And I said, yeah, but that's such a small percentage compared to the whole. So what's more dangerous? And why would you subject yourself to that possibility? According to the CDC, diphtheria, which is an upper respiratory tract infection, has decreased from over 200,000 in 1921, so many people had it, over 200,000, to just one case in 1998. One case. That means that we decreased it, 199,000 cases, which is incredible. However, because of recent laws and different things like that have became available and more prevalent for us, there's been those children. A lot of people, their reasons for not getting vaccination, well, other people do it, so I don't have to do it. But you have to understand that some of these diseases that have been eradicated from the United States have not been eradicated from other countries. And so, say you have a kid, or say it's you, and say you haven't been vaccinated from polio. Polio has been eradicated from the United States. But if you travel overseas, or if one of your loved ones, say, even if they have the vaccination, has traveled overseas and then comes back, and they've had the polio virus on their skin or on their clothes or on the gifts that they brought you, and you haven't been vaccinated from it, you could get it. Viruses stay alive for a really long time. And so you have a responsibility to protect yourself and also other people around you. Because, okay, so you have this vaccination, and now you go visit a newborn baby in the hospital, and you give the baby polio. Devastating effects of polio are crippling and mental retardation, and there's just numerous. So now you know why people don't do it, but let's look at more specifically what you can do. Many diseases are still around today, as we talked about, but many have been eradicated, like we talked about before. Smallpox used to cause millions and millions of deaths, but they've been destroyed, or that disease has been destroyed worldwide as of 1980 because of vaccination. Malaria has been absent for 3 years in the United States, and according to the World Health Organization, if a disease has been eradicated from society for 3 years, it can be termed eradication or eradicated. I'm sure most of you, most of my audience and girls, have heard about the HPV virus vaccination and how that can cause cervical cancer. And it's available. It's something that you can do to prevent that from happening to you. Currently, BSU Health Organization is offering the H1N1 nasal spray vaccination. And this is, I just saw it on the website this morning, which is perfect since I was giving a speech tonight. But it's another opportunity for you guys to take action right now. Everybody should get vaccinated, not only because you're helping yourself, but you're helping other people. Like I said before, even though many diseases wreak havoc on our society, many people don't understand why. And now you do. And now you can make the right decision. I'm asking you tonight to take responsibility for yourself, take responsibility for your community, and for your loved ones, and get vaccinated. Don't let yourself become another statistic.